Good morning student, this is your math workbook of class 8. We are continuing chapter 5, data handling. Student, in previous video we have done 5.4. Now we will start worksheet 5.5. It is very short type answer and each question have 1 mark. So student, this is very basic questions and first read the question carefully and give the answer. First is, in a histogram the areas of the rectangles are proportional to the frequencies. Can we say that the length of the rectangles are also proportional to the frequency? So students, the solution of this question is, if the width of all the rectangles are equal, then the length of the rectangles are proportional to the frequency, because we know that in rectangle length and width, so opposite side are equal. If one length is given, then the other length is also same is width. Now second is, if we change the position of any of the bars of a bar graph, would it change the information being conveyed? Justify your answer. So no, it doesn't matter. Miss question means is, if a bar graph, किसी भी bar graph को suppose this is the bar graph and this is the some information. So if we change their position, we write this information here and this information here, then the any change into question solution? So it is not, only their position are changed, not a solution. So solution is no, it doesn't matter if you change the position of the bars of a bar graph, it will only change the order of the given information or not the actual value of the bar. अगर आप बार ग्राफ में बार्स चेंज करते हैं, पोजीशन चेंज करते हैं, देन क्योंकि जो ऑर्डर है पोजीशन ही चेंज होंगी, सॉल्यूशन का कोई असर नहीं पड़ेगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, विच फॉर्म ऑफ ग्राफ वुड बी appropriate to display the following data? So what we have to write the type of graph. So which type graph to show the given data? First is production of food grains of a state. So it is a year and it is the data in tons. So it is bar graph, because in bar graph we write one side year and one side in capacity measurement. So we easily represent the data. Now the B question, B part, the daily income of a group of a factory workers. So this is the daily income 75 to 100. It is mentioned class interval, number of workers. So it data show by histogram. It is a by histogram we will show the given data. Question number 4, study the pie chart given below figure, find the fraction of the circle represent each type of information. So is girls or boys? So 50% show girls and 50% show boys. So girls is equal to 50 upon 100, because 4 is 100% and girls are getting 50%. So 1 upon 2 same as boys, 1 upon 2. Question number 5, study the following pie chart, find the fraction of the circle represent each type of information. So here represent the data is hate and love for mathematics. So how many students love for math and how many students hate to math? So if 50% are hate, then 85% is love. So first we find the love math and hate math. Who student who loves math and student who hate math? So 85 upon 15. Now simplify, it is 17 upon 3 is a fraction form. And other is who student who hate mathematics. So 15 upon 100. So 3 upon 20. Now the student who love mathematics, 85 upon 100. Now 17 upon 25. Question number 6, list the outcomes in the experiment tossing two coins together. So two coins together. So what is the possible outcomes? So head and tail, one coin comes head and second is tail, and one is tail, second is head, both head and both tails. These are the four outcomes. Question number 7. When a dice is thrown, list the outcomes of an event is getting a prime number. So you know in dice have 6 number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First is prime number. So prime number is 2, 3 and 5 are prime numbers. 2, 3 and 5. And not a prime number. So 1, 4 and 6. Now if you try to start a scooter, what are the possible outcomes? So the possible outcomes are it will start or it will not start. There are two condition. जब भी हम कोई बाइक या गाड़ी स्टार्ट करते हैं टू कंडीशन होती हैं, या तो वो स्टार्ट होगी या फिर नहीं होगी. सो द टू आउटकम्स आर पॉसिबल. इट विल स्टार्ट और इट विल नॉट स्टार्ट. Question number 9. When a dice is thrown, list the outcomes or even to getting. So again there are 6 number on dice. 3, 4, 5, 6. So a number greater than 4. There are two number greater than 4, 5 and 6. And a number is not greater than 4. So not greater than 4 means 4 से बड़े नहीं है. A number not greater than 4. So 1 to 4. So it has only 4 also. If the ask a number is less than 4, so 1 to 3 is less than. So 1 to 3 and 4. Number 10. You have an urn with 5 identical balls of different colors and you are first pull out, draw a ball without looking. Added list the outcomes you would get. W, R, B, G, Y. Miss. These are the colors of balls. White, red, blue, green, yellow. The possible outcomes is all balls, because in these balls any balls draw. The W, R, B, G, Y. These are the possible outcomes. Question number 11. When a dice is thrown, what are the 6 possible outcomes? So you all know there are 6 possible outcomes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now question number 12. Student, this is the last question of this worksheet. When you spin the wheel shown in the figure given below, what are the possible outcomes? List them. So A, B and C. So the possible outcomes when we spin the wheel, so these are the spin balls needle. So it is possible to any number. So A, B and C are possible outcomes. So student, 5.5 also done. In next video we will start 5.6.